Hello, everybody. I am Dr. Robotnik, and welcome to the bird flu part 2. So anyway, I am Dr. Robotnik, and welcome to the video called The Bird Flu. Bird flu. Wah, ah, 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 ah. And I am Dr. Robotnik, and sorry if I acted like that again. So anyway, welcome to part 2 of the bird flu, and this is your true leader, Dr. Robotnik, but not really. Dr. Eggman's the leader, but we both take turns being the leader. So, this is Dr. Robotnik. Hope you all enjoy this video, and I'm the evil scientist, and I hate that Sonic the Hedgehog, and I hate you, Sonic the Hedgehog, or should I say, I will get you for the Sonic the Hedgehog.
Wait, why would you want me removed? I'm your best pal. Because you got me beat up by Knuckles for calling him short. Is he not short, though?
I mean, he is, though.
Sonic, just
Wow,
calm down,
just
I want
roasted
removed.
him.
Well, you know what? If you remove me, you know what I'm going to do? What?
Oh, he grabbed my hand! He grabbed my hand!
What?
He grabbed my hand!
Oh, I'll go get the doctor right now.
Stop by my head.
Chet, I got the doctor.
Oh my goodness! You have 3 heads now!
I know, thank you.
You're welcome. This must be a side effect of the medicine.
Oh, here we go
This
again.
man called himself a doctor. Shut up.
The good news is that you're not sick anymore.
Well, I'm glad I'm not sick, but I don't want 2 heads.
The bad news is that if you don't get rid of that head, it will slowly start taking over your body and your head will fall off.
What?
Wow, that's gonna suck
Yeah,
again.
I'll start taking over.
Well, there is one other option. You could kill the other head. Anyways, good luck.
Kill the
What?
other head. You're not
How's
gonna
that
do
even
You can't get rid of
possible
me.
to do that?
Oh, yeah? Watch this.
Chet, I'm gonna get the gun.
Oh, here we go.
Chet, I got the gun.
Sonic, he's taking over. Yeah, Sonic, he's taking over.
Oh no, we have the real Chet.
Come on,
Uh-oh.
Sonic, you know I'm the real Jet. No, Sonic, you know I'm the real Jet.
Why would he grab a rail gun and
I'll
shoot
ask you
one
a
of
bunch
them off?
questions, and whoever gets it right is the real Chet.
That sounds
Don't
fair.
even try
Yeah,
this
that
at
sounds
home,
fair.
kids. Don't even try it at home or even at YouTube. Wah, ha, ha.
Your mom?
What?
I mean, the real Chet will say that. All right, you're next.
Hmm.
What is my favorite color?
Blue? I mean, you're blue, so it's kind of obvious.
I mean,
Yeah, I think that's kind of
All right, you're
true.
next.
And I
What
hate
does
that
Ron Weasley
hedgehog.
say in 1 hour, 2 minutes, and 6 seconds in The Prisoner of Azkaban?
I don't know. He says, shut your mouth, Malfoy.
Oh, God, that was
Shot the wrong
dope
one.
again.
I just got sorry, you got it right.
Why?
What have I done?
Why would you shoot your own friend instead of the head?
Idiot.
That gotta suck. Again, right basically at the head. That sucks. So anyway, my name is Dr. Robotnik, and we'll see you on the next video. And anyway, be sure to subscribe this channel called Sonic and His Friends Season Plush. And subscribe the second channel. So anyway, I am Dr. Robotnik. We'll see you later, and time to do a flip. I didn't do the most flips, but I would almost hit my crotch. So anyway, I am Dr. Robotnik, and I basically can't do a flip because I didn't went to training school. So anyway, I'm Dr. Robotnik, and we'll see you on the next video, and goodbye, and see ya.